Wow, Blossom Makeup, you guys really said we are outside, like you didn't come to play. And NewParis, you understood the assignment. Babes, I spent 50,000 naira on makeup. And no, I am not okay. And today I'm testing all these products from Avour Cosmetics, Blossom Makeups, and NewParis Cosmetics to see if my face will slay or if my account balance just died in vain. Now let's get into the video before I change my mind.
First up is this moisturizer from Blossom Makeup. This was 7,000 naira. Yes, this is a moist essence with hyaluronic acid, and for 7,000 naira, if this does not hydrate my skin, I'm hydrating it with tears. First is this primer from Avour Cosmetics. This was 5,000 naira. It claims to blur the pores, suit the skin. Well, we'll see if it will blur my regret, and if it does not suit my skin, I'm having a suiting price with Avour. Two foundation from Avour Cosmetics. The light one is in shade 05, I believe. The dark one is in the shade 30. Because I do not know my favorite shade, so today I'm mixing it like a cosmetic chemist. I also got the Blossom Makeup Spotlight Concealer in light and dark shade. The light one for brightening, the dark one for snatching. Period. And finally, NewParis fixing spray. This is the before or after fixing spray. The final boss, will it lock it all in or melt it all out? Let's find out. This moisturizer is so hydrating. Like, she's giving glow, she's giving hydration. Oh my gosh, she might be doing something there. Okay. Blossom Makeups, I see you. This is so impressive. Oh, so smooth. My goodness. Like, can you guys see that? Oh my goodness. Okay, not bad, not bad. Avour, not bad. Now for the foundations, I'm going to be mixing the two shades of the foundation. Like I said, the light one is in 05, while the dark one is in the shade 30. On a normal day, this light one should actually be my preferred shade because that is the shade I'm using concealer. But yeah, but you know, we're doing this. Oh my gosh, baby, this match is actually matching. Like, look at that. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, how flawless is this foundation? It's so lightweight, so skin light. I'm absolutely shocked. Like, but these foundations, it's everything. It's so lightweight. It looks like my skin. Baby, Avour, you guys didn't come to play. No. Oh my goodness. Don't play me. Okay, Blues on Makeup, that highlight, it popped out of nowhere. OMG, no, and look at that cheekbones, snatched. It's giving snatched, it's giving lifted.
Okay, we're going to seal everything with this fixing spray. Let's see if it's going to lock it all in. Yeah, this is fast drying. I love that. It's very fast drying. I love that about it. Smells nice. Smells nice actually. Yeah, I love it. Oh my gosh. Like, is this me? This is your stuff. For real, don't play. Don't play. Okay, real talk, I am shocked. Like, this 50,000 naira makeup beat is beating. And wow, Blossom Makeup, you guys really said we are outside. Like, you didn't come to play. And NewParis, you understood the assignment. Kudos. I'm so proud. Ah, look at it. 50k beating. Like, don't play. Would I recommend this product? Yes. A billion times yes. And you see that fixing spray? If you do bridal makeup, that's gonna be your best friend, because the way it mattifies your makeup, like makes your makeup feel good, flawless. Like, look at this. Look at this. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. So guys, what do you think? Did I slay, or did I just waste my money for nothing? Let me know in the comment sections, okay? Please do not forget to like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done that already, and please share this video to someone who is also addicted to makeup and bad financial decisions. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I truly do appreciate you. I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.